Before you start diving into your email ESP to delete inactive subscribers, here are 4 things you should know. Number 1, when is the right time to clean your list? Or do you even need to clean your list now? Number 2, how often should you clean your list? 3, how to revive dead subscribers from their sleep. 4, what are the steps you need to take before you start cleaning? And lastly, why you should clean your list. So let's begin with why you should clean your email list. There are many reasons, but I'll give you 2 big reasons. Number 1, if you clean up inactive subscribers from your list, you will get a higher open rate. Higher open rates mean higher deliverability. Higher deliverability increases your ESP reputation, so Google will love you more and your ESP reputation will increase. Number 2 is that there is no point in sending emails to people who are not engaging with your content. You won't be able to sell them anything anyway, so keeping them on your list does more harm than good. So when is actually the right time to clean your list? You should clean your list once a year, but there are a few conditions. Number 1, if your email open rate is more than 50%, you don't need to clean your list now. It's totally optional. You can do it if you want to. However, if your open rate is less than 15%, you should clean your list ASAP, because 15% is the red flag mark for Google to start sending your emails to spam. So if your emails start going to spam more than 1.5% or 2%, your email IP might get blocked. So always keep your open rate more than 20%, and if you can, keep it more than 50%. Now, there is one thing you need to do before you start removing the dead subscribers, which is try to revive them. And the way to revive inactive subscribers is to segment them and run a re-engagement series. But before that, here are some easy things to do. First, log into your email ESP and go to the subscribers or audience section. Look for options like unsubscribes, bounce, or undeliverable. All email ESPs have similar options, though they may look different in your case. Start by removing all the unsubscribes, undeliverable, bounce, and so on. Now let's get back to the re-engagement series. A re-engagement series usually consists of 2 to 3 emails with the goal of reviving as many inactive subscribers as possible. Here we segment the email list by time. This process is similar for most ESPs. Go to your audience or subscribers, choose a time frame, apply the filter, and add them to a segment. Or select subscribers who haven't opened your emails in a specific time frame, apply the filter, and save them as a segment. Now the big question is, which time frame would you choose? Is it 6 months or is it 1 year? It depends on your open rate. If your open rate is above 40%, segment those who haven't opened emails in 1 year. If your open rate is below 30%, segment those who haven't opened emails in 6 months. But keep in mind that open rates are never accurate. There are several reasons for this, and it deserves a video by itself. For now, note that tools like mail privacy protection preload tracking pixels, making it seem like an email was opened, even if it wasn't. Sometimes people open your emails, but it is still counts as no open. So it is best to do the 6 months or 1 year segment rather than 3 months. Now before you go, there is one last very important thing you need to remember when you're running the re-engagement series, and it's very important that you remember this. If the first email in your re-engagement series gets less than a 10% open rate, do not send the second email. Here is why. Google doesn't like it when you get a low open rates. They think you are spamming, and that's why you are getting low open rates. And as a result, they might block your IP, so it's not worth the risk. However, if the first email gets a 15% or higher open rate, proceed with the second email. Otherwise, stop the re-engagement series. This is all you need to know about cleaning your email list effectively. Hope this helps.